Hello, Chet Porter with MarineMax in Savannah. We just received the Sea Ray 310 SLX outboard, and we'll take a few minutes and show you some of the features on it. So up here we have a stainless steel windlass, also a freshwater shower that you can wash off your anchor when you pull it up. Lots of storage up here in the bow area. There is an optional piece that you can put in here to make this a full sun pad, and also a table mount here that you can place here. Two different options as far as table is concerned. Then this gives you access to the table storage and then the filler cushion, so it has dedicated storage to keep that stuff out of your way while you're not using it. So moving back towards the back, you have a bow block off door here, and then access to the forward main DC breaker panel for all your main system controls, and also the indicator for your overboard discharge head system. Speaking of the head, here you have a nice head, plenty of room in there. Your overboard discharge switches are in there to control that system, and nice vacuum flush toilet. Storage compartment here for phones and what knickknacks that you might have, and also has a lock. It keeps it locked. So over here we have the Simrad twin screens, Fusion stereo, this electronically controlled engines, the push button start stop from here, and then also the auto trim for the engine. This boat is equipped with joystick. We're currently in skyhook mode, so the boat will stay where it is within about a 5-foot radius while you're at the dock getting lines ready, or just hanging out watching fireworks or whatever you may be doing. Captain's seat on either side. This sweet seat does swivel around to give you access to the cockpit area. There's a large table that stores it underneath the stern and fills in that area as well. Now moving forward, we have storage here, subwoofer system. This boat has the upgraded stereo system. Storage underneath this system over here. Also more storage and a sink. This boat features a refrigerator, which is nice. And then this entire system back here in the back all lifts up, so you have access to the table and any mechanical systems that you might need to get to. Moving back towards the stern, we have another freshwater washdown here. Your battery switches are here, so right when you get on the boat, you can turn those right on and turn on any lighting that you may need. This companionway back here in the back opens up, so you have tons of storage, life jackets, fenders, whatever you may need. And then these seats, if you're sitting facing rearward, have access to some comfortable seating there. The boat's powered by twin 300 Mercury V8s. And then on the hardtop here, we also have the Sure Shade that comes back. It covers this area, so if you're out on a hot day, you can have some shade and another nice place to hang out. So a couple of different seating situations, and you can make good use of the full length of the boat. So if you have any questions about the Sea Ray 310 SLX outboard, give us a call. MarineMax Savannah, 912-525-0961. Thank you.